The question says write the IUPAC name for the given complex. Okay. To name the complex, we follow the order. First, you have to write ligand, then we write central metal atom, then we write oxidation numbers. Counter and can be in the front, it can be in the last also. Okay, this is the order we follow. And before writing the name of the complex, always identify if the central metal atom is present in the cationic complex or anionic complex. Okay, we have platinum, it is Cl is there, Cl, it is NH2, CH3, methylamine. Then we have NH3, whole twice is there, and then we have Cl is there, Cl. Okay. So you can see we can dissociate counter and from here we can break. The first one is positive, second one is what, negative. So you can see central metal atom is present in the cationic complex. It means that when we write the platinum, we use its common name as given in the periodic table. Very clear? Okay. Next we calculate oxidation number. We need oxidation number of the central metal atom. Let's calculate. Platinum is there, platinum. Okay, plus chloride and carries -1 charge. This is neutral. No, sorry, it is negative unit and ligand -1 plus this is neutral ligand, neutral unit and ligands. It carries 0 charge. This is also a neutral ligand. It does not carry any charge. So you can mention 0 in this case also. 2 multiplied by 0, it is also 0. Then we have chloride ion. Okay, and each chloride ion is what, -1 is equal to 0. Neutral complex is there. Platinum -1 is equal to 0. Then platinum is present in +2 oxidation number. Sorry. Now let's start naming ligands. If more than one types of ligands are given there, we arrange them in alphabetical order. Okay. So this is what chlorido is starting from C. This is what methylamine is starting from M, and this is what amine is starting from A. Okay, so now we can arrange them in alphabetical order. First of all, NH3, then we have Cl, and then after that, okay. So how many ammonia molecules are there? 2. So in the naming, we can say it is di, and this is what amine. You have to write double M, amine. Okay, double M. Again, in case of ammonia, diamine. Okay. We have chlorido. For the Cl, we use chlorido. Only one Cl is there, chlorido. Next, we have methylamine. Only one molecule is there. So we use common name, methylamine. Methylamine. In this case, only one M will be there, methylamine. Okay. Then after this, we have central metal atom. We use the common name because it is present. Central metal atom common name is used as given in the periodic table because it is present in the cationic complex. So we use platinum. We can write platinum. Platinum is there. Next, we have the oxidation number already calculated. We write in Roman numbers. Okay, 2 is there. And after that, in the last, we have counter, and this is what, chloride. We have the chloride. You cannot write chlorine. It is chloride. Okay, like let's see, if I mention this is what, AgCl, silver chloride. Okay, we use chloride. Name is diamine chlorido methylamine platinum 2 chloride. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.